Okay, in this question, two blocks A and B of equal masses are released from an inclined plane of inclination 45 degree at t equal to 0. Both the blocks are initially at rest. The coefficient of kinetic friction between the block A and inclined plane is 0.2 and between B and inclined plane is 0.3. Initially the block A is root 2 meter behind the block. When and where the front faces will come in line. Okay. So now if we suppose, let's say that A block is moving, right? So let's assume that this total distance is d here. Both are starting from rest, so initial velocity there are 0. So if we write the equation for block A, so that will be like mg sin theta. The masses of these two blocks are equal, so I'm taking this as m. So mg sin 45. For A block I'm writing the equation. I'm just sin 45 minus the friction will be at in opposite direction, and that will be mu into n, and n is mg cos 45 is equal to mass into acceleration. So from here, like, we can write the acceleration, which is g by root 2 minus 0.2 into g by root 2. Now we can solve this one further, like, so g by root 2 is 1 minus 0.2 to 0.8. So that is A value, the acceleration of A block. Similarly, if we calculate the acceleration of B block, so acceleration of B block can be written as block B, the acceleration of A, the acceleration of B, again g sin theta, which is sin 45 minus mu g cos 45. Because again on B block also the friction will be acting in opposite direction, so acceleration g by root 2, which will be common, and 1 minus 0.3, so it is 0.7. Okay, so these are the accelerations. The initial velocities are 0. So if we focus on the A block, and these are constant, right? So we can use the kinematics equations. The displacement of A block, which is d, is equal to half at square. Let's say they are meeting at this level at t time. Okay, so here that is the equation for this one, and for B block, and B block is traveling d minus root 2 distance, which is again 1 by 2 AB t square. Now if we subtract these equations, so one equation, the second equation, so 1 minus 2 if I do, so it is root 2 is equal to 1 by 2 A of A minus A of B into t square. Now A of A minus A of t, if you see these two values, so this g by root 2 is common, so 0.8 minus 0.7, which is 0.1. So root 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, it's a g by root 2 0.1 into t square. So the t value from here you can write as just 2 root 2 to 2 to 4, and 0.1 into g is basically 1. So t is equal to 2 seconds coming. So that is the answer. So when they are meeting, so the answer is 2 seconds. And where they are meeting, so put this value in this equation 1 and we will find the t value. So t is equal to 1 by 2. Acceleration of A is g by root 2 0.8 into t square, which is 4. Okay, so here g into 0.8 is basically 8 only. And if we cancel it out, so it is like 16 by root 2. So that is the answer of this question. Thank you.